Wait, teach.
You can join, even if I started, you can join then. Type. The first question, read it, and then you will find the choices. In salty solution, huh? The salt is cold. You should choose in the same order. The salt is called what, and the water is called what? I received 8 answers so far. Hurry up, you have a timer. 13 answers, great job.
It's 13
questions.
Oh shit.
Yes, guys, please mute yourself so we can hear each other. Time's up almost. I received 14 answers. So simply, the correct answer is the salt is cold.
Solute.
Solute, thank you. And the water is cold?
Solvent.
Solvent.
Excellent. Can you choose solvent then solute?
No.
Choice.
No.
Why?
Yeah.
Why?
Because the salt is not a solvent. It's a solute.
Thank you. Because the order is. Esther, no need to write in the chat because you are answering with me in the link, right or wrong?
No, I'm not in the link أصلا.
ليه؟
معرفش. Send it again.
حاضر. Type. You cannot choose the first answer, which is solvent then solute, because the pen here, and this is the link. Because what? Because of the ordering, الترتيب. يعني ما اقدرش اقول the salt is solute and the water is solute. Okay?
Okay.
Easy. Next question. Ready for it?
Yes.
Yeah. So 10 answered correctly. 4 are mistaken. So please, these 4 students, pay attention. Yeah. Next. Rocks disintegrate when exposed to heat and
Finish.
when the rocks are broken, mean they are exposed to heat, and I received 15 answers, and actually all of them are correct. All the previous are correct. When it is exposed to running water, to the wind, not to the air, to the wind, because the wind is the movement of the air. If the air is stable, so it will not affect on the rocks like if it is wind. Rains, all of these are breaking down the rocks, causing their disintegration. Please make sure that at any time you may find new vocab or new word. By sense, you can know that it means that rocks broke down or become loose and things like that, okay? Next. Okay, yalla. Third question, a watery fluid in which blood cells float. A watery fluid in which blood cells float.
Finish.
We have a keyword here. And 15 answers are in. This is great. 16. Esther, are you in? Bravo, ya jama'a. Thank you. Thank you. Can I say urine?
No. No.
Fine. Urine is a watery fluid.
Because blood cells.
Plasma.
Because plasma is a blood cell. But
thank you. Because of the word. Thank you. There is no blood components in the urine. So how will it float or be in the urine, right? So both of them are watery fluid. The plasma is yellow watery fluid. The urine is yellow watery fluid. But the difference is that the plasma has the components of the blood and the urine doesn't. Thank you all. You're doing a great job. Next. The change in the direction of the light when it passes between two different transparent media. Two different media. One answer only, 2. Great. Change in the direction of the light. When the light changes its direction. 12 answers. Great job. Concentrate. Different answers actually, but I don't know why. Change in the direction of the light. Guys, let's draw the question. You have two transparent media. Give me examples. What does it mean?
Water and air.
Water
For
and
example,
glass.
so air above, water is below. They are two transparent media and they are different. What the meaning of different? Yani, it's not from air to air. It's not from water to water. It's from air to water. They are transparent. They are different. So he's saying the change in the direction of the light when it passed. So there is a light passing from the air. Then, listen, then to the water. So what happened? Look at this. The direction is changed. It's not moving in the same direction, which is this. Right? So the light seems like if it is broken. That's why we see objects underwater broken. Exactly. So simply the answer is
Light
refraction.
refraction.
Teacher, I put it like this, but it says to me it's wrong.
light refraction is the number 4, the green one. ممكن احنا اتلخبطنا واخترنا حاجة تانية. طيب واحدة. Light separation means that the light separates into 7 colors. So it cannot be the change in the direction, right? Light reflection means the light fall on an object and bounce. Bounce means reflects, come again or come back to me, to my eyes, I mean. So I can see this object. Regular reflection, I will not answer it now because it is a question in the next slide. So I will skip it now until it comes. Okay, so I hope that once you find the change in the direction of the light means light refraction. Got it?
Yes.
Yes.
Great.
Yes.
Yalla, next. Let's clear any drawings here so you don't get confused. Yalla, next. في ايه? Okay. The decayed remains of the living organisms that exist in the soil. What should it be? The decayed remains.
Finish.
Great. I received 11 answers. Now it's 12. Five seconds. Okay, great job. Most of you chose
humus.
Excellent. You are right. Humus, of course. Decayed remains means, again, what this means that there is a living organism. They die. Then the decomposers fed on them. They decompose their bodies. And now the remains only are on the top layer of the soil. So this is what is meant by the decayed remains. And of course, we call it humus. What does humus add? Raise your hand if you want to answer. Let me see what the first. Said.
Yes, teacher.
Humus add what to this?
Add nutrients.
Nutrients, thank you. Of course, so the plants can use it and use it to grow and make food. Type, who can tell me in which layer do we find the humus? Which layer of the soil? Let me choose from the ones who raised their hands. Karma.
Top layer.
Top soil layer, thank you. Yalla. Type. Some chose decomposers. Decomposers are wrong because you know that the decomposers are the ones that decay the dead bodies. Type. Next. Okay. Next question. The banana fruit appears in which color when you look at it from a violet transparent sheet? So you have a banana, in front of it violet transparent sheet, and you are looking at it. How will it appear? In which color? How will it appear? Okay. I have 15 answers, and now time's up. The correct answer is, thank you,
Black.
11.
Black.
Black, of course. Type. Some
It's
choose
black.
number 4, which is yellow. Does it make sense?
No.
Type. We have
No.
yellow banana
No. Black.
and
Because
violet
the violet
transparent
transparent
sheet.
sheet, it's a different color.
Thank you.
If
Thank
it
you.
was the same, it will be yellow.
Thank you. So I have a yellow banana. So when the light falls on the yellow banana, it reflects the yellow color. Yellow light color. Can the yellow light color pass through the violet transparent sheet?
No.
Where will it go?
No.
So
It
if
will go back.
it will not pass, where will it go?
It will go back. It won't pass.
No, it will be
Absorbed.
absorbed by the violet sheet. The
Yes,
violet
that's
sheet,
what I mean.
yes, the violet sheet absorbs all the light color except its own color. So the yellow color will be absorbed. So no light color here reach my eye. No light color will reach my eye, so I will see it black. The only case that I can see the yellow banana with its color, that this sheet is also having
Yellow color, the same color.
yellow color. Okay, guys? I hope
Teacher,
it's
do you
clear.
remember this question that was coming for me every time?
بالظبط. It's for Kinda. This question, yellow banana, is always for Kinda. Type. I hope that the 4 students who made it wrong now can know clearly the correct answer. Yalla, let's clear the drawing. Let's go for the next. Okay, receives blood rich in oxygen from the lungs. It's rich in oxygen. So you know that it's left or right. Receive. فاكرين the word receive, do you remember? It's the keyword of which part? Yalla, put your answer. The word oxygen help us to know if it is left or right. The word receive from the lung help us to know it's which chamber. طيب هو طبعا the correct answer is left atrium. Step by step. Why?
يا تيتشر ما لحقتش احل.
ليه؟ مين بيقول سيد ولا مين؟
احمد.
ليه يا احمد؟
بفهمها يا ميس، ما لحقتش
طب
احل.
انا عشان كده بساعدكم اهو انا بساعدك اهو في الامتحان، مش هتلاقي حد يساعدك. طيب بصوا تاني. The word oxygen means that the blood is on the right side or in the left side?
Left.
Thank you. Because the left side is carrying oxygenated blood. طيب the word receive from the lung, from outside. Receive قلنا it goes with atria or ventricle? Atrium. So left atrium. Easy, right?
Yes.
انا كنت اقول رايت يا مس، انا كنت اقول رايت، بس عارفه ايه اللي خلاني انك فكرتيني لما انا لازم اعكس
sides of the heart. تمام بالظبط كده. هو oxygenated blood means right side, left side, sorry. Deoxygenated blood means right side. Thank you. Next question. It grows better in the sand soil. What grows better in the sand? Yes, it's so easy. But although it's so easy, some students also get confused.
Yes.
شفتوا؟ قلت لكم some students get confused. Of course, it's peanut.
It's
Peanut grows.
peanut.
Yes, peanut grows in sand. Raise your hand if you know the answer. Cotton grows in. Cotton grows in. إيه اللي أنا عملته ده؟ إيه اللي أنا عملته ده؟ ها. Cotton grows in.
Cotton grows in.
Esther, raise your hand. Raise your hand.
Wait. Cotton grows in clay.
Thank you. Cotton grows in clay. Adam, strawberry grows in. Thank you, Esther. Clay soil. Adam, strawberry grows in.
In silt soil.
Thank you. And Sama, lemon grows in.
Lemon grows in silt.
Silt soil. Thank you. So the only one that grows in sand soil is the peanut. Thank you, guys. Next. Air is a mixture. Which type of mixture? A piece of cake. It's lagging with me or what? Because I didn't receive any answers.
No, teacher, I think it's lagging with me.
Yeah, خلاص, it's working. It's working. And now 14 answers are there, and it's super easy. Of course, the correct one is
gaseous.
gaseous. It cannot be all the previous.
Yeah.
It cannot be all.
Only
Air
I
is,
put it the previous.
yes, air is mixture of gases, right? Air is mixture of different gases. Oxygen, carbon dioxide. Who can add more? Who can add more?
Me.
Oxygen, carbon dioxide.
Good.
Yes, say it.
Atmospheric air, oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen gas, and there's also
Ahmed, help him. No, you are correct. Nitrogen. Yes, Ahmed.
nitrogen gas.
Nitrogen gas. Karma, do you know more?
Hydrogen and potassium and
Potassium is not a gas. Hydrogen, okay. Water vapor. Okay. We have different gases in the air. So that's why the air is mixture of different gases. It's not only one gas, because if it is one, it will be pure substance. Like it's different gases mixed together. Yalla, next. Let's go for the next question. Changing the color of the living organisms to simulate. To simulate means to be like the color of the surrounding environment. What do we call this phenomena? What do we call this phenomena? 14 answers are there, and this is a great job. Still, we have time. Now.
hear me?
جنى. مين بيتكلم؟ جنى ولا مين؟
Teacher.
Teach my
Yes.
this is not.
جنى, are you talking?
Yes, she's talking.
قالت ايه بقى عشان انا الصوت بيقطع عندي.
هو انا اللي عندي lag.
لا انا شايفاكم كويس جدا. انا سامعاكم وشايفاكم كويس جدا, بس هي جنى بيقطع عندها. جنى تقريبا بيقطع عندها الصوت. طيب 15 answers are going for the camouflage, of course, and you all right. Camouflage is a way of adaptation into change their colors so they can escape from
Enemies.
Their
enemies. Thank you. From their enemies. Next.
What's wrong with their enemy?
Water and oil mixture can be separated by, pay attention, both of them are liquids and both of them are immiscible. Remember this word?
Yes, I answered it.
What the meaning of immiscible liquids? When we say water and oil are immiscible liquids, yes, Karma?
Liquids that can't be mixed.
They don't mix together, exactly. So the oil doesn't dissolve, for example, in water. Of course, using separating funnel, you cannot use and this is a common mistake, you cannot use filtration. Filtration needs a solid, insoluble solid in water, but cannot be used for two liquids. Next. Is the main organ of the urinary system?
I answered it.
All of them are organs in the urinary system. Which one is the main? Main means the important one that maybe yani, does all of or do all of the job.
I did. It's correct.
Yes, mostly. طبعا it's not urinary bladder. The main organ again means main يعني it does the main job. بتعمل الشغلانة الأساسية for the urinary system, which is what? Filtering the blood from
Kidney. From wastes.
Exactly. From waste. Thank you, Salma. Excellent. Type. Next question. It changes the electric energy into magnetic. Please concentrate. Changes the electric to magnetic. Some of you are always some of you are always mistaking this part. مش عارفة مين اللي بعت لي دلوقتي على الشات. ظهر قدامي الاسم بس
انا هنا التيتشر اصلا هو لسه مخرجني.
هنا طيب اوكي يا هنا.
Oh yeah, I make it correct.
Yes, let's check the answers together. Some
I
of
make
you
it electromagnet.
بالظبط. Hey, it is electromagnet. Why it is not dynamo?
Because it's
Dynamo
kinetic
kinetic energy into electric energy.
electric energy.
The dynamo starts from the kinetic energy or from the magnetic energy?
Kinetic.
No, kinetic energy into electric.
You cannot say magnetic, right?
Yes.
No.
Because we are using the movement of the magnet to generate electricity. So طبعا هنا again والله العظيم قلتها 100 مرة وهقولها تاني. Electromagnet from its name. Electro means electric energy. Magnet means there is magnetic energy. So the beginning is electro. So it changed it from electric to magnetic. خلاص يا جماعة, this is the key word. Electric to magnetic. So please don't make it wrong again. يلا next. It is used to measure. طبعا question ده مستخبي كده ومحدش معبره فأنا حطيته. It's used to measure the intensity of the electricity. يعني ايه intensity of the electricity means the power of electricity. If it's strong, weak.
أنا فكرتها شكلها كده يعني.
If you concentrate, you will find that there is one is not common.
Yeah, I answered it in the chat.
You easily can choose it.
I got
طبعا
it.
it's a meter. Of course, it's a meter. Electric generator used to generate electricity.
Like
That's it. Regardless the intensity of it, the power of it. Compass, of course, totally wrong. Compass is not generating, it's not measuring how much the electricity is strong. Electromagnet is used in a lot of devices and cranes and things like that. It's not related to the electricity. طبعا. فammeter, and the ammeter was in the picture in front of you. This is the ammeter used to measure the intensity of the electricity. القوة. الشدة يعني بتاعت electricity. قد إيه هي قوية. Okay. Next. True or false? A dynamo changes the magnetic energy into electric. What do you think?
What?
A dynamo changes the magnetic energy into electric. Magnetic to electric.
عملتها غلط.
طبعا it's false. احنا لسه قايلينها من شويه يا جماعه. The dynamo changes the
عملتها صح وغلط غلط.
into electric.
or
yes.
mechanical
can
energy into electric energy.
Excellent, Jana. Thank you. You can say kinetic or mechanical energy into
Electric energy.
There is no magnetic here. We don't mention the magnetic. If you mention the magnetic energy, means you are saying that the dynamo starts with the magnetic energy, and this is totally wrong. You start by moving the magnet. Okay. Yalla, let's go for the next one. When we hold a magnet freely, one of its poles is trying to search for the east direction. True or false? Hmm. 16 answers and time still there. It means that you should all do the correct one. طالما جاوبنا بدري كده يبقى أكيد عملتوها صح.
Teacher, I did it false.
And false. Where the wrong part in the question? Raise your hand, please.
North and south.
Raise your hand and tell me which one is wrong. يمين. New hands بقى. جانا محمد. جانا تقدري تتكلمي؟
Okay, teacher, the wrong one is the east direction.
Yes, so one of the poles is searching for the north, for example, mainly the north طبعا, because if you point to the north, then you can know where the south, okay? Thank you, Jenna. Great job. Next question. Let's just lower hands, so when we ask another question, I can see who raised his or her hand first. Next, yalla. Which of the following lights are considered secondary light color? It is one of the secondary light colors. Time's up. The answer is, of course,
Yellow.
Yellow. Cannot be anything except yellow, because blue, green, and red are
primary light colors.
Primary light colors.
Teacher, I make it yellow, but the second color is orange.
مش فاهمة. يعني you chose yellow. انت بتقول لنا انه thank you. طيب احمد قول لنا what are the secondary light colors? Yellow,
green, blue, indigo, and violet.
لا انت مش فاهمني يا
I know.
Can you tell me what are the other colors?
Teacher.
Mimi.
secondary yellow يا teacher.
Yes, what else? We have three secondary light colors.
Can I answer?
Yes, Salma, quickly.
The secondary color is magenta and
Cyan. So yellow, magenta, and cyan. Type quickly. Bara. How do we get the magenta?
by mixing the red and the blue.
And
By mixing the color red and the blue.
red and blue light colors. Thank you.